Hey y'all, I am here today to make a tassel for you with my sponsored products that I received from Beebeecrafts. I did an unboxing video. I did a video and showed you how to make these beaded keychains, dangles. Very pretty. Next time I think I'll use some gold or silver thread because I think it would be prettier on the end, but they are still beautiful. So I have these star beads and I have these beautiful different colors of bubblegum beads. I made one tassel already out of this one of these beads in this package. I made one. I've got things kind of a mess over here to the side, y'all. So I made this beautiful turquoise one out of some of these beads. And I used the stars and one of the keychains. So I think I'm going to try to make another one today for you. And I've already laid out the beads and maybe some of the charms I want to use. This is my little wire, and just in case my glue trick doesn't work, and these are bad to pop off, I need to kind of glue them in before I try to use them as charms. Even one of the stoppers is in there upside down. So I'm going to move this kind of to the side, and I'm going to cut about, I don't know, these are cut about 14 inches long. I started at 12, but I think it got longer. So I'm going to try to do about, I don't know, I usually do about 3 lengths. I don't think it's necessary, but that's what I do. And this is 1mm thread. It's not waxed, but it probably would be easier if it was. Okay, now I'm going to fold it in half. See, it's really way too long, I think. So probably twice the length is good enough. So I am going to take a pink keychain here, keychain clip, make a loop, and then pull the tails of the thread through the loop. Just like that, and make it a little bit snug. And I think I am going to go ahead and cut just a little bit of this off. It's kind of cumbersome. So I might use some of that to tie the puff top. And I'm going to make it even. And then this is the trick I like to use if it will work. Sometimes the beads just are not, the hole is not either big enough or it just doesn't go all the way through well. I've got some on my towel. I just like to rub it on there, squeeze and twist. It makes it stiff and it makes it smaller so it fits through the beads. But like I said, I have my wire here that I cut off from this and just made myself a little needle because I was having a hard time earlier today. And I don't want to struggle anymore if I don't have to. And you could probably use fishing wire, any kind of wire. There are actually needles made specifically for this. But of course I don't have one. So let's see, I want to start with the stars and let's see if it will go through. It went through, but I needed tweezers to grab that end, I think. No. There it goes. I don't know, sometimes I have a problem and sometimes I don't, so. And I'm just going to I think I'm gonna do the purple ones first. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use the pink ones. I think these are called bubblegum beads. I'm not really sure, but they're nice and big. And very beautiful. Beebeecraft has some beautiful beads and other products too. If you'd like to go check them out, their link will be in the description as well. Now what I'm going to do, I have another star bead. Go ahead and put that. Let's see, I might need my wire. Let's try it and see. Yeah, I think this one's going to be... Well, where's that other hole? Where does it come through? Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead, put it in my, I have this folded over. It's kind of stiff. Just put it in the V, and then I'm gonna push it through the hole. I may have to use my little pliers to pull it through. We'll see. It just not want to go through. Oh, I had to use some really, I had to use a lot of strength to pull that through. It's usually not that hard. I think this bead just was not bored all the way through. And some of them are like that. Some of them go through without the wire just fine. All right, now I am going to... I have this little spacer here. I like to put those on the end because it just, they're not necessary, but I think it finishes them off really nice. And also gives you, it kind of hides some of that thread, and it gives you like a place for your knot to go so that it doesn't show as much. And I'm pulling it tight, and this thread is really strong, so it kind of takes some tugs. And then I'm going to turn it around and give it a tug the other way. So I usually do it about 3 times. See, that knot hides in there really nice. I'm going to put a little bit of glue in there in hopes that will help the knot hold better. All right, now I am going to just try to get this, put one over the top of my bundle here and one underneath, and try to get it kind of centered here. And then I'm going to tie it 3 times, and I'm going to try to get really tight so it doesn't hang loose and the tassels fall out. And then I'm gonna turn it this way and try to do it another direction. Not sure if it went in another direction or not, but we'll see. Okay, and then I'm gonna just kind of fluff it up a bit. Try to get everything hanging as nice as I can. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. Now I might go ahead and tie it with a piece of this so that I don't have a problem hanging charms. My charm hanging abilities aren't that great yet, so Some people do it on the ribbons and everything, but I'm gonna first tie it with this. So it's giving me a little bit of a problem here. Okay, I'm trying to get it a little tighter this time. There. I think that looks a little better. And I'm going to hang a couple of charms off here. I'm going to try to. Alright, I'm going to try to tie it so that the loop just holds the charm on and doesn't there. That looks better, I think. And I think I want to put this pretty ribbon around it. It just looks better than that white cord, I think. I'm going to just tie it in a bow. And this little, I'm going to cut this piece off. And I think I'll cut this off too. Cut it down by the knot and put a little glue on the knot and hope that it's gonna hold it. Okay, now I'm gonna give it a haircut, a little bit of a haircut. There we have it. Still learning, y'all, so be patient with me. So we have, let me try to get this so you can see them all three together. I'm just going to shake this off, and you can see where I've been painting. Okay, we have this pretty teal or aqua color. We have this silver and pink and purple, and then here is some blacks and pinks. So nice. I love Beebeecraft's beads, and they just look beautiful on a tassel with a key ring. And let me just go ahead and add. Okay, where'd they go? Okay. I didn't know where I put them. Oh, here we go. So, and then we have these. So, there you go. Now, if you want to go check Beebeecraft, you'll find yourself some beautiful beads and key rings and all the things you need to make your key rings and your tassels. And I think they also have ribbons and lace and stuff. I did not use, none of this here is from Beebeecraft, none of these ribbons and laces, but I know that they do have them. This is some that I had already had, and then some I bought extra. So I hope this video was not too painful, and I will see y'all again soon. Bye now.